Welcome to Science A+ Global Practical Session. Electrolysis. The chemical change effected by passing an electric current through an electrolyte is known as electrolysis. Applications of electrolysis. Electrolysis is frequently used in various industries. One popular application is electroplating. What is electroplating? The plating of a certain metal on another surface using electricity is referred to as electroplating. In this video, you are going to learn the process of electroplating. You will need a beaker, aqueous copper sulfate solution, a dry cell, a cleaned spoon, a clean copper plate, connecting wires. Connect two connecting wires to the copper plate and iron spoon. Connect the free ends of the two connecting wires to the dry cell. Add copper sulfate solution to the beaker. Then dip the copper plate in the spoon in the beaker of copper sulfate solution, at the same time. Observe the spoon after about a few minutes. For electroplating. The metal that needs to be plated should be used as the positive electrode, and the object that is plated should be used as the negative electrode. It can be seen that the part of the spoon dipped in copper sulfate solution has turned copper color. This happens because a thin layer of copper is deposited on the spoon. This is called electroplating. Thank you for watching this practical. Download the practical manual and an activity sheet from our website. Check out our channel to watch our other practical videos.